Let's go. Boss Lil, nigga. Let's go, man. Bars, nigga. What up? Hillside. If you down, don't beat around the bush. I'm the worm in the water and these fishes getting hooked. Hold it down in my city and I started with a penny. Getting dollars, you with me, better not be shook. Team strong and my weed strong. Hit your chick like ping pong. Coming down that wrong block and these niggas taking the wrong turn. They creeping up, yeah we see these niggas. Best believe they bout to learn. No Usher Raymond when I spark it up and we puff and puff. Won't let it burn. Got the rolling coat, sell it to these fiends. You got something to say, just keep it a beam. Don't stab me in my back talking all this and that. If you all about the money, just save a few stacks. Let's get it. If you wanna come get it. Come get it, come get it, come get it, come get it. You ain't tryna fuck with it. You ain't tryna fuck with it. You ain't tryna fuck with it. Then you better come get 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 it. And you tryna fuck with it. You's a young boy. Hey, let's go, man. Hillside in the building, man. Shout out to everybody doing that rap shit, nigga. That music shit, you heard? Freestyling, whatever you doing. Keep pushing it. Grind hard. Get that paper, my niggas. Never been a hater, you heard? Everybody get that paper. Do what y'all do, man. Somebody gonna make it. Let's get it.